site. Someone closing in and backing in.
This is a tournament.
The show of the name Deadly Game.
Well, over here, lads, look at this. We've got swords and hearts, shooting stars, my personal favorite.
Look at defense. Very weak defense. You see a strong defense counter-attack or a continuation.
You think we could do the bows or the crossbows death?
Well then now, God save you good people. How fare you this day?
Oh, fine, thank you.
Indeed.
And what do you call?
Christina.
Ah, Lady Christina.
Lady Christina and my lord.
Lord Judson.
Lord Judson,
Yes.
indeed.
Well.
God
Yes.
save you. I be Sir
From North-
Richard Herbert
Ah.
of Montgomeryshire. And this be my goodly wife, Magdalene Lady Herbert.
It's well met with you this day.
Montgomeryshire, that's down in the financial district.
Be the jester, I think, in this man.